Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Pretty in Pink. Today we're going to be sprucing up reindeer ears using Dollar Tree materials. So everything you see here is from the Dollar Tree. The bells, the golden tinsel, the glue sticks, the hot glue that's off screen, the little red glitter, as well as the red glitter glue. So right now all you're seeing me do right now is reinforce that little top golden part on top of the bells so that they don't separate. Now you see me taking out the red sparkles, because it's not exactly glitter even though I called it glitter. You're seeing me take out the red sparkles and you see me take out the red glitter glue. I'm just going to spread that red glitter glue around and then I'm going to pour the sparkles on top. Just so that we can add a bit more pop of color to where the antlers are. So now after doing it to the second ear, I'm going to clean up my station and then I'll be back to show you what I'm going to do with the tinsel. Okay, so now the tinsel will be used as the border and it'll be covering the brown parts of the antlers because I want to have a red gold color scheme to match the bells that I'm using. Now, this is a good time to mention, it was at this moment that I realized it would have been smarter for me to do the tinsel first and then do the sparkles on top, not the other way around, because I was struggling. I was really going through it. I was really going through it, putting on these antlers, putting on the tinsel on the borders of the antlers, which I'm gonna let you hear throughout this little montage. But oh my gosh, a lot of the sparkles were coming off and like the hot glue was sticking to my fingers and it was just a hot mess. So just remember that. Put the tinsel on the border first, then add your sparkles. There's glue everywhere. I can't handle this. Oh my gosh, this is so much. Oh my gosh. Okay, I didn't anticipate how freaking messy this would be. Holy crap, holy crap, holy crap. I want this to be over. I want this to be over. Oh my gosh, I'm stuck. Oh my gosh, help. Help. Oh my gosh, this is such a bad idea. Why did I think that DIY? Why is this my niche now? Why did I do that? It's not my niche, but why did I do that to myself? So now that this first antler is done, I'm just going to do the second antler, and I will clean up the area and I will come back to show you how I attach the bells. Attaching the bells were super easy. All you had to do was hot glue the little ribbon tails onto the tips of the antlers, and that's what I did. After that was done, I went in with some tweezers to kind of take off any stray hot glue that might have been on the edges and made it look a little neater and more well put together. Then I had to break out the red sparkles and the red glitter glue once more to patch up any areas that might have lost some sparkles when I was trying to put the tinsel on the borders of the antlers, which is why you should do the borders of the antlers with the tinsel first and then do your sparkles. Once the finishing touches were done, I tapped off any excess glitter, and then that was it. My antlers were completely finished. Well, I did a little bit more tweezing on the edges, but other than that, my antlers were completely done, and here they are. And now I'm gonna show you a little video of me with my antlers on, so you can see what they look like. Hey guys, so this is the finished product, and here's how they jingle. So I'm gonna be wearing this with my Christmas nails and my Christmas sweater tomorrow to give out the gift bags, the goodie bags that you guys saw me make. You are gonna see me wearing the same Christmas sweater that you saw me wear a week ago. That's because I only have one Christmas sweater. So in any case, if you like this video and you'd like to see more videos like it, please give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!